In this video, we'll show you how to install and register the Orbit Home app for the first time. This demo is based on an iOS device, but the steps are quite similar on Android. Step 1. Download the Orbit Home app. First, open the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone. In the search bar, type Orbit Home and look for the app with this icon. Then, tap Download to install the app on your device. Step 2. Create an account. Open the Orbit Home app, tap Sign Up. Review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, tap Agree. Next, enter your name, email address, and create a password. After entering all the information, tap Submit. Tap Continue. Then check your email inbox for a verification code. Open the Orbit Home app again, enter the code. Once your account is successfully activated, you'll see this confirmation screen. Your Orbit Home account is now ready to use. You can log in and start setting up your garage door opener.